Little mini-dachshund puppies are 3 weeks old today, I believe. All of their eyes are open. They're about the size of a can of pop here. Oh.
Did they talk?
I've put them on a cold blanket taken away from their mother and spread them out a little, and they're protesting for a minute. They're just fine. All of their eyes have opened. This little guy doesn't want to be on his back too bad. Although he's quickly mellowed up. They want to be piled. I seem to prefer that. Hey guy. Hey guy. Haven't started to develop their dachshund-like characteristics, but they will. Get the long nose and flappy ears. Sire is a 8.5 pound, soft, smooth, red. He seems to be genetically dominant. Mom is black and tan, about 9 pounds. The puppies all turn mostly red with some black highlights, maybe along their ears or tail. Hey guy. I picked you up because you were squawking, and now you're gonna go silent on me.
Is that a dog?
It is a puppy, Bubby.
Yes. Here's a puppy. Those are lots of puppies.
There's a chubby puppy right here. This is a little boy, fairly light color.
I like place.
I like the boys too. These are well socialized puppies.
One place are girls, and those are the girls.
Dachshunds have great dispositions. They like to please, they like to quite trainable. And they're growing.
Like that guy looking at. He's looking at the kittens too. Are those puppies, Daddy?
They are the puppies, Bubba. Why are they what? Squawking for their mom? I think that, yeah, you hit it on the head there, Bob. They want their mom.
Yes.
Norman, go let Chloe out. Just right out here. Just set her out. She'll come over. Spread them out before Mom gets here. Put her down, son. Hey, Chloe. Hey, Chloe.
Yeah, Mommy.
There's a beautiful dog. Great markings. Nice coat. And incredible disposition. Best dog I ever met. Just taking inventory, making sure I haven't mistreated them here. Here you go. You okay, Chloe? Sometimes the whole swarm of pups on her seem pretty aggressive. She's pretty tolerant. Oh, cool.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
She has the puppies.
She likes her puppies, huh, Bub?
She loves her puppies.
Yes, she does.
Yes. Their name is Fern.
Cool. It's okay. Has she been outside recently, guys? The other dogs are out low, right? Here, Norman, take her out. Give her a break. It's okay. And one more time for theatrical purposes, we'll separate the pups.
Those are puppies, Dad.
Those are puppies and they like each other.
Yes, I love those puppies. I love the boy puppies.
Me too. Okay.